How to see Twitter comments. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view comments on tweets on Twitter. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy and a bit confusing, so let me guide you. First, what you want to do is open up the Twitter app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here, if you tap on the home page, you'll get various posts here. Now to look at a comment here, below the post you can see the comment icon there, but if you tap on it you'll be able to reply on a tweet, but you won't be able to view the comments. Now to view a comment, what you want to do is head into the post, any post that you want to view the comment of, and then beside the username of the user you'll be able to see the time of the post that it has been posted. Now the above post you can see here, it was posted 23 hours. If I scroll down below, it was posted 12 hours ago. This one was posted 2 days ago. What you want to do is simply tap on the time of the post here. This was posted 2 days ago. You can see the 2D option there. Simply tap on it, tap on the time that the post was posted, that shows up the time the post was posted, and scroll down below and you'll be able to view all the comments. Similarly, if you go back or if you head into other post and tap on the date of post again, time of post again here, 2 hours ago here, and then I'll be able to view the comments here too. So this way you can see Twitter comments. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.